वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का साइंस का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। पार्ट 1 है ये। तो इसका चैप्टर नंबर 1 है क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट। तो इसमें फर्स्ट चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस है। इसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट है इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्लास इज मेज क्रॉप क्लासिफाइड। इसका आंसर है ए खरीफ क्रॉप। बी विच ऑफ द सेकंड which of the following is a kharif crop? A answer है paddy. Third, in which of the following pattern are weight and gram classified? इसका ये आंसर है रबी क्रॉप। फोर्थ, which is the traditional tool for tilling? इसका डी आंसर है प्लग। फिफ्थ, which tool is used to break crumbs of the soil and leveling? इसका सी आंसर है प्लैंक। सिक्स, what is the use of seed drill? तो इसका डी सी आंसर है टू सॉ द सीड। सेवन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मैन्योर? तो इसका डी आंसर है यूरिया। एट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फर्टिलाइजर? तो इसका डी आंसर है वर्मी कंपोस्ट। नाइन, इन विच सिस्टम ऑफ इरिगेशन इज वाटर नॉट वेस्टेड एट ऑल? तो इसका सी आंसर है ड्रिप सिस्टम। टेंथ, विच टूल इज यूज टू रिमूव वीट? तो इसका ए आंसर है खरीफ क्रॉप। तो इसका ए आंसर है खुरपी। 11, 2,4-D इज विच टाइप ऑफ केमिकल? वी डिसाइड, बी आंसर है। 12, विच ड्राइड लीव आर यूज फॉर स्टोरिंग फूड क्रैम्स एट होम? इसका बी आंसर है नीम लीव्स। क्वेश्चन 2, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, the same kind of plant grown and cultivated on the large scale at a place is called crop. Second, the damaged seed would float on top of water. Third, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water as well as nutrients from the soil are essential. Page number 6. 4, the time duration for rabi crops is generally from October to March. Fifth, crop which is sown in rainy season is called kharif crop. Sixth, the paddy crop requires more amount of water so it can be cultivated in monsoon. 7, the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling. 8, nowadays plucking is done by tractor driven cultivator. 9, the leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. 10th, wooden plug contain a strong triangular iron strip called plugshare. 11, the supply of water to crops at different time intervals is called irrigation. 12, the separation of grain seed from the chaff is called threshing. Question 3, answer the following question in one words. In first point, what is the crop grown in the winter season called rabi crop? Second, what is time period of kharif crop in India, June to September? Third, which traditional tool is used to break crumb? Plank. Fourth, which modern tool is used for sowing with the help of tractor nowadays? Seed drill. Fifth, which bacteria are presented in the root nodules of leguminous plant Rhizobium? What are undesirable plant growing naturally along with the crop in a field called wheat? Which implement is used for manual harvesting in India? Sickle. Which mechanical implement is used for harvesting? Harvester. Question 4, mark the following statement. True false है इसमें। First, paddy is a kharif crop. True. Gram is a rabi crop. True. The field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. True. A seed drill is used for removing wheat and for loosening the soil. False. Farmers select good quality of seed for sowing. True. Page number 7. 6 point, use of fertilizer improves the texture of the soil as well as enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. False. Question 5, answer the following question in one sentences. In first question, in which class are plant classified on the basis of season? The answer is on the basis of season plant are classified as kharif crop and rabi crops. Second question, how are earthworm and microbes helpful to farmer? The answer is earthworm and microbes turn and loosen the soil and humus to it, thus they are helpful to farmer. Third question, how do the soil organism add humus into the soil? The answer is the soil organism decompose dead plants and animal. In this way, various nutrients held in the dead organism are released back into the soil, thus they add humus in the soil. Fourth question, mention the type of plug. The answer is there are two types of plug. First, wooden plug, second, iron plug. Fifth question, what is the need before plucking if the soil is very dry? The answer is if the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plucking. 6. Why are seeds covered by the soil during the sowing? The answer is seeds are covered by the soil during sowing because this prevents damage caused by the bird. Question 7. What is the use of plank? The answer is the plank is used to break the soil crumbs and level the soil. Question 8. If manure is to be added in the soil, then it should be added to the soil before plucking the soil. Why? The answer is manure should be added before plucking the soil so that it be mixed in soil properly. Question 9. What is NPK fertilizer? The answer is a fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium is called NPK. Question 10. State the sources of irrigation. The answer is the sources of irrigation: well, tube well, pond, lake, river, dam and canal. Question 11. State the name of modern method of irrigation. The name of modern method of irrigation: first one, sprinkler system and drip system. Page number 8. Question 12. When should the weedicides be sprayed? The answer is the weedicides are sprayed during the vegetative growth of wheat before flowering and seed formation. 13. State the harvest festival in India. Answer is Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Nabanya and Bihu are the harvest festival in India. Question 8. Define. In first point, plucking. The answer is the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called plucking. Second, fertilizer. The answer is the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrient for the healthy growth of plant are called fertilizer. Irrigation. The answer is the supply of water to crop at different intervals is called irrigation. 4. Weeding. The undesirable plant that grows naturally along with crop are called weeding. 5th, harvesting. The cutting of crop after it is manure is called harvesting. Question 7. Answer the following question in short. In first question, write a short note on sowing. The answer is sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality of seed are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy. Farmer prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. The tool used traditionally for sowing seed is funnel shaped. Question 2. Write a short note on weeding. The answer is the process of removal of weed is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weed compete with the crop plant for water, nutrients, space and light. Some weed interface even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animal and human being. The manual removal include physical removal of weed by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of a khurpi. Page number 9. Third question. Write a short note on threshing. The answer is a process of separation of grain seed from the chaff in the harvested crop is called threshing. The threshing is done after the harvested crop dried well. Threshing is carried out with the help of machine called combine, which is in fact a combine harvester and thresher. Question 4. Why is paddy not grown in winter? The answer is paddy require a lot of water as it is a kharif crop, whereas in winter climate is cool and dry, so paddy cannot be grown in the winter season. Question 5. What effect would be seen due to continuous plantation of crop in a field? Explain. The answer is plantation of crop in a field continuously can make the soil infertile as plant absorb mineral nutrients. The nutrients content in the soil go on decreasing. Question 6. What are weeds? How can we control them? The answer is in a field many undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weed. Question 7. What are kharif crops and rabi crops? Give two examples of each. The answer is the crop grown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. For example, paddy, maize. Page number 10. The crops grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram. 8 question. Give 4 names of agriculture implement and state the uses of each of them. The answer is the implement used in agriculture and the use of which are as follow. In first point, pluck for plucking the soil. Second point, the soil plank to break clod lump of the soil and leveling the soil. Third, seed drill sower to sow the seed. Fourth, khurpi to remove the weeds. Fifth, sickle to harvest crop as well as to remove weeds. Sixth, harrow to remove weeds. 7. Thresher to separate the grain from ear or corn cereal. Question 9. State the names of manure and fertilizer. The answer is example of manure: cattle dung, fertilizer, compost, fertilizer, vermicompost, green manure, manure obtained from gobar gas plant. Example of fertilizer: urea, ammonium sulfate, sugar, phosphate, potash, NPK. Question 10. State the advantage of manure. The advantage of manure: first point, it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gas become easy. Third, it increases the number of friendly microbes. Question 11. State the advantages of fertilizer. The answer is in first point, due to water soluble, it replenishes the soil with mineral rapidly. Its effect is instant and crop production increases. Second, fertilizer can be supplied according to whichever mineral is needed in the soil. Page number 11. Second, state the disadvantages of fertilizer. The answer is first, water holding capacity and texture of the soil may decrease with the use of it. Second, due to water soluble, it washes out with rainy water. Third, it is relatively costly. Question 13. Which harmful effect occur to crop due to weed? Which steps can be taken to remove weeds? Answer is harmful effect of weed. Some nutrients available to crop from the soil are absorbed by the weeds, so required nutrients are not available in the sufficient quantities to the main crops. Besides it, weeds also compete with crop for sunlight and water, so yield of the main crop decreases. Step taken to remove the weed. First point, weeds can be removed by tools such as khurpi, sickle and hoe. Second, weed can be removed by interplucking with harrow. Third, weeds can be removed by the use of weedicides such as 2,4-D. Question 8. Explain. Explain given scientific reason. In first question, modern agriculture implements should be used in agriculture. The answer is modern agriculture implements such as harrow, seed drill, harvester, thresher, combine and tractor are used in agriculture. With the use of such implement, more work can be done in short time. No manpower or animal power is used, so it relieves the farmer from excessive labor. Economic benefit can be achieved with the production of more than one crop. Crop production can also be increased as there is no wastage of crop, so farmers should use modern agriculture implement. Question 2. Earthworm are called friend of farmers. The answer is in first point, earthworm inhabit in the soil of field. Second, they make the soil upside down and the soil becomes soft. Third, the extracted fossil waste of earthworm are being added in form of humus in the soil. The humic substances are added by aeration of dead bodies. Fourth, the soil fertility increases due to it. Fifth, so earthworm are called friend of farmers. Page number 12, three question. The soil should be plucked. The answer is first point, plucking of the soil, break and the clod occurring in the soil and the soil particles are separated. Second, the clay of the soil turn up and down with plucking. Third, so air circulation in the soil increase and the soil becomes soft. Fourth, seed can easily germinate in the soft soil. Fifth, required air for respiration is available for sprouting of seed as well as for microorganisms and earthworms occurring in the soil, hence the soil should be plucked. Question 4. Rotation of crop should be done. The answer is in first point, the required specific nutrients occur in the soil for crop are constantly absorbed by it if single crop is taken repeatedly. Second, so deficiency of nutrients occur in the soil and production of crop decreases. Third, the soil efficiency is maintained by rotation of crop if crop of pulses and cereals are taken alternately. Fourth, by growing crop of pulses, fixation of nitrogen occurs due to rhizobium bacteria inhabiting in its root and performing an important function to increase the fertility of the soil. Fifth, rotation of crop also control the harmful pest of crop, hence rotation of crop should be done. Question 5. Use of fertilizer should be reduced. The answer is the soil texture spoil due to excessive use of chemical fertilizer. Second, sometimes crop may destroy or crop production reduce due to excessive use of chemical fertilizer. Third, the soil pollution occur due to the effect of chemical fertilizer as well as the useful microorganism occurring in the soil are destroyed, hence use of chemical fertilizer should be reduced. Question 9. Write 2 points of difference is manure fertilizer. Manure, first point, manure is a natural substances obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant resides. Fertilizer, first point, a fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Manure, second point, manure can be prepared in the field. Fertilizer, second point, a fertilizer is prepared in factories. Page number 13. Second difference is drip production, sprinkler system. Drip system, sprinkler system. Drip system, first point, the system is a boon in the rain where availability of water is poor. Sprinkler system, in first point, this system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Second, drip system, second point, in this system the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the root. Sprinkler system, second point, in this system water sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Question 10. Classify, in first question, classify the following into Rabi crops and Kharif crop. Rabi crops, the answer is pea, mustard, wheat, gram. Kharif crop, the answer is soybean, groundnut, paddy, maize. Question 2. Classify the following into manure and fertilizer. Manure, the answer is compost manure, dung manure, oilseed cake, green manure. Fertilizer, the answer is urea, ammonium sulfate, diammonium phosphate, NPK fertilizer. Question 11. Match the following property. First, Kharif crop. Kharif crop, the answer is B, paddy and maize. Rabi crop, the answer is D, wheat gram P. Fertilizer, the answer is E, urea and super phosphate. Organic manure, the answer is C, animal etc., cow dung, urine and plant waste. Page number 14, first column, B column. First point, weeds, the answer is D, khurpi. Harvesting, the answer is A, sickle. Irrigation, the answer is E, rahat. Sowing, the answer is C, seed drill. Question 12. Answer the following question in details. In first question, what is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. The answer is the supply of water to crop at different interval is called irrigation. Method of irrigation which conserve water are as follow. In first point, sprinkle system. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipe having rotating nozzle on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular interval. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzle. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler is very useful for the sandy soil. Second, drip system. The answer is in this system, drip system. In this system, the water fall drop by drop just at the position of root, so it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plant, gardens and trees. The system provides water to plants drop by drop. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in rain where availability of water is poor. Question 2. Write a short note. Harvesting. The answer is the cutting of a crop after it is mature is called harvesting. It is an important function in harvesting. Crop are pulled out or cut close to the ground. It is usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. In our country, harvesting is either done manually by sickle or by a machine called harvester. Page number 15. Activities. In first activity, to separate damaged seed from the given seed. Apparatus and material. The answer is beaker, water, wheat seed. Procedure. First point, take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Second, put a handful of wheat seed and stir well wet for some time. Note your observation and derive your conclusion. Observation, the answer is few seeds are seed floating on water. Conclusion, the answer is damaged seeds become hollow and are lighter, therefore they float on water. Second activity, to demonstrate that both the manure and fertilizers are required for better growth of plant. The answer is apparatus and material. 3 vessels or glasses, water, cattle dung, manure, urea, mung or gram seeds. Procedure. In first point, take mung or gram seeds and germinate them. Second, select 3 equal sized seedling out of these. ये 3 pot है. Third, now take 3 similar vessels and mark them A, B, C. Fourth, add a little amount of the soil mixed with a little cow during manure in vessel A. Fifth, put the same amount of the soil mixed with a little urea in vessel B. 6. Take the same amount of the soil in vessel C without adding anything. 7. Now pour the same amount of amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. 8. Keep them in a safe places and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. Observation: plant growth is fastest in vessel B. Plant growth is better in vessel A, but in vessel C, plant growth is slowest. Conclusion: manure and fertilizer are required for plant growth. Third, animal provide us with different kind of food. Food sources: first, milk, cow, buffalo, she goat, she camel. Second, meat, she goat, cow, hen. Third, eggs, hen, duck. Fish sources: various type of fish. Conclusion: like plant and animal also provide us with different kind of food. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में चैप्टर नंबर 1 साइंस का यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय।